Hello everyone, today, we will walk you through, step by step, how to sign up for Binance, one of the world's top 3 exchanges, and how to trade futures. First, we will walk you through how to sign up for Binance. To get started, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. After installing the app, please open it. To begin the registration process, tap the sign up button. For your ID, please enter either your email address or your mobile phone number. Check the agreement box below, and then tap continue. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. A verification code will be sent to the email address or phone number you entered. Please enter the verification code you received. Next, please set your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. After that, you will be taken to the Inviter registration screen. At this step, you must make sure to tap yes. Once you do, a referral ID input field will appear. Please make sure to enter BB333 here. By doing so, you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with various bonus rewards. Next, you will move on to the identity verification screen. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, identity verification is mandatory. First, please select your nationality. Then, proceed with ID verification by choosing one of the available ID types below. Please select the ID that you currently have. I will select a passport as an example. Next, tap Take Pictures. Align your passport's information page within the camera frame and scan it. After that, align your face within the camera frame. Please nod your head and blink your eyes as instructed. Now, the identity verification process is complete. The verification review will take about 1 hour. After a short while, you will be able to see that your identity verification has been successfully completed. Next, we will walk you through how to set up Google Security. Please return to the home screen. Tap the Binance icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. To set up security, tap Security. We will set it up using the Authenticator app. Tap Enable. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please enter the verification code you received. You will then be taken to the Authenticator setup screen. Here, you will see Binance's 16-digit key. Please copy this key. Now, please install Google Authenticator on your mobile device. After installing it, open the app. First, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. For your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied earlier from the Binance app. Tap Add. A 6-digit code will then be generated under the name Binance. Please copy this 6-digit code. Now, return to the Binance app. Tap Next at the bottom. In the Authenticator app code field, paste the 6-digit code copied from Google Authenticator. Once completed, you will see that Google Security has been successfully set up. Now, to trade futures on Binance, we will switch to Pro mode. From the Binance home screen, please tap the Binance icon in the top left corner. At the bottom, tap the button labeled Binance Pro. Once you do, Binance will switch to Pro mode. Next, we will walk you through how to deposit funds into Binance. There are several ways to deposit coins into Binance. In today's video, we will guide you using the peer-to-peer method. First, tap Assets in the bottom right corner. At the top menu, you will see different types of wallets. The Futures wallet is used for futures trading. The Spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. To deposit coins, tap Spot and select Add Funds. You will need to choose a deposit method. Please select Peer-to-peer. You will then be taken to the peer-to-peer trading screen. First, tap this button in the top right corner. Here, you can select the currency you want to trade. To purchase coins, make sure Buy mode is selected. Next, tap this button below to select the coin you want to buy. Most people commonly use USDT. Tap this button on the side to enter the purchase amount. Then, tap this button to select a payment method. Below, you will see a list of different advertisers. For a safe transaction, we recommend trading with advertisers who have high trading volume and a high completion rate. Once you have selected an advertiser, tap the Buy button. Some advertisers may require identity verification. First, enter the purchase amount. Then, select your payment method. Before proceeding with the purchase, be sure to check the advertiser's info. Next, tap Place Order. You will then see the advertiser's bank account information. Before making the payment, be sure to check the advertiser's chat messages. Before transferring, double-check the advertiser's account information. Now, proceed with the payment. Once the payment is complete, tap Upload Payment Proof. Please upload at least one payment proof. Next, check the agreement box below. Then tap Transferred, Notify Seller. Once the advertiser confirms the payment, you will shortly see the coins deposited into your spot wallet. Finally, we will walk you through how to trade futures on Binance. To trade futures on Binance, you first need to transfer your coins from spot to futures. First, tap Spot Wallet. To transfer your coins to futures, tap Transfer. Select from Spot Wallet to USDM Futures. Choose the coin you want to transfer, and enter the amount. After a short moment, the coins will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, let's begin futures trading. Tap Futures in the bottom right corner. You will then be taken to the futures trading screen. First, tap this button in the top left corner to select the coin you want to trade. Next, tap this button below to choose the margin mode. Cross uses your entire available margin to open a position. Isolated uses only a portion of your margin to open a position. If you're a beginner, we recommend using isolated mode for a safer trading experience. Next to that, tap this button to set your leverage. Leverage can be set up to a maximum of 150x. Higher leverage can increase profits, but it also significantly increases risk, but the risk of loss also increases. If you're beginner, we recommend starting with low leverage for safety. Next, tap this button to choose the position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Buy. If you expect the price to fall, select Sell. Here, you can see your available margin. Below that, tap this button to select the order type. Limit places an order at a specific price. Market places an order at the current market price. Here, you can set your order price and quantity. Now again, if you expect the price to rise, select Buy Long. If you expect the price to fall, select Sell Short. Then, tap the Positions button at the bottom. Here, you can see the status of your open position. ROI shows your current return on investment. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price. If the price reaches this level, your position will be automatically liquidated. Tap the TPSL button to set your take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, tap the Close button to close your position. Market closes the position at the current market price. Limit closes the position at a specified price. Enter the price and quantity you want to close. Then tap Confirm. Once confirmed, your entire position will be closed. Today, we walked you through, step by step, how to sign up for Binance, one of the world's top 3 exchanges, and how to trade futures. If you have any questions while watching the video, please feel free to leave a comment at any time. If today's video was helpful to you, please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching.